This video will cover the installation method for MaxLite's L-Max Linear Luminaire using suspension mounting. For each installation method, please refer to the product datasheet and the component configurator located on the L-Max Resources section of the website. You can also reach out to a MaxLite representative for help choosing the correct set of components for your application. To begin, we'll turn off the power at the circuit breaker before installing. We'll get started by removing the wiring plate located on the top of the luminaire. Next, we'll connect the male plug on the power cord to the female socket inside the fixture. Now, we can tighten the two lock screws on the male plug with a flathead screwdriver. From here, we'll snap the power cord sheath onto the plate before attaching the plate to the fixture's body. Next, attach the support steel cable end to the threaded hole. Once done, adjust the length of the cable and lock it in place. After installing the crossbar from the canopy kit to the junction box, install the power cord and support cable to the canopy as shown. Be sure to follow the wiring diagrams included in the instruction manual. Next, we'll use the included plastic expansion anchor and screw to secure the crimp stud. Next, we'll install the non-power feed canopy and suspension cable using a threaded sleeve. Finish up by attaching the support cable. Alternatively, you can use the toggle bolt method. Use the toggle bolt to secure the crimp stud before attaching the non-power feed canopy and suspension cable. Now, we can turn on the circuit breaker and test that the luminaire is functioning properly. That's it! Please visit our website for more information on the L-Max Linear Luminaire and other MaxLite products. Thanks for watching!